Hello, everyone, and welcome to week number 2. Or let's do a quick overview of lesson unit 2. Um, Hopefully, you got through lesson unit 1, and let's go into right away into lesson unit 2. So remember, you can navigate several ways. You can click on modules or click on the learning units here. Um, So hopefully you're accustomed to that. Let me make sure this opens. So we're into learning unit 2. And learning unit 2 starts out with your discussion question. Remember, please respond to this discussion question, at least your initial response before Wednesday at midnight, so you have plenty of time to come back and comment on your classmates. All right, so the topic of the learning unit, which is very appropriate because with the inclusion of things like ChatGPT and some of the other AI tools. Uh, Basically, this is a part of search, so you can include this in search. So this topic is referring to effectiveness in search engines. Your task to respond to that, diving deeper into navigation and the critical issues of privacy, security, and ethics. So learn how to, so basically I want you to look at your methodology of searching. Although you might not know what meta search engines are, but a quick Google search on that, you can figure out they're just higher, they use essentially multiple search engines to produce your results. So please respond to that discussion question. And it does also mention, speak to the whole idea of credible sources, is essentially you never know if the sources are credible because there's so much information on the web. So be cognizant of that. And as far as the homework assignments, we go into chapter 2, which is going into the SimNet environment. Here, once you click on that link, basically you're looking at the structure of the internet. It's titled, Internet, the web, and electronic commerce, all very, applicable to our society now. We're all connected. We're all, especially since after COVID, we're all ordering online. So e-commerce or electronic commerce is valid. So browsers, HTML, and hyperlinks, you'll be exposed to that and practice with those particular components. And then you're going to go on to chapter 9, which is privacy, security, and ethics. And privacy is a big thing. You should be concerned about that. I mean, the cybersecurity and just being aware of some of the vulnerabilities and risks. So you'll go through some very, very good exercises on dealing with privacy, strong passwords, avoiding phishing scams. You probably see them all the time now. There's even things that utilizes QR codes, we refer to them as quishing, and then voicemails and texts as well. So, and the last component of that is ethical behavior online. So we want you to be aware that this is very important. So you want to avoid plagiarism, no copy and paste from AI, anything like that. Produce your own work. I mean, it's relatively easy to notice that. So please do that. And that's the only, as far as the SimNet exercise, you only have chapter 2 and chapter 9. Here, I just want to make sure you're aware of that. And then you have your learning unit project. Basically, it's a research into internet search strategies, and just follow the steps. I mean, it may be cumbersome, but going through that, it's pretty straightforward. So, and then finally the quiz, multiple choice quiz, once again on internet technologies, et cetera, and e-commerce, privacy, and it just follows the topic of the learning unit. So make sure you get that done. Remember the due date for all of those are Sunday. However, if you get behind, just continue to work on them even into week 3. That is fine. So yes, to summarize, this week is packed with essential concepts and practical applications that are they're truly critical for navigating the digital world. So, all right, let's get started. And well, after you finish learning Unit 1, if you want to work ahead, that's fine. But these are, in our digital realm, these are very important concepts. So thank you for listening. Onward, upward, onward, whichever way you refer to.